Hi there! Welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for... That's my dog. Let's start again. Hi there! Welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to do origami. Here's what you're going to need. Origami paper, glue, and my favorite, Google eyes. Are you ready? Let's fold some paper. Aw, you just folded a cute little frog. Now grab your glue and you know what to do. This was super easy and super cute. And look, I already taught him a trick. And he has a new friend. Let's try that again. Aw, he has a new girlfriend. I hope you enjoyed making this fun origami. Check me out on social media, subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like this video, share with friends and family, and as always, comment below. Keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!